Good morning and welcome back to another one of Table Mountain's toughest trails. Today is a really exciting one. This is my first ascent as well of First Waterfall Ravine. I've been wanting to do this route for a very long time. It's one that needs a lot of careful consideration. But yeah, it'll be really exciting. I'm looking at it now, driving along the M3. This is not Second Waterfall Ravine, which is known for a large number of deaths and a lot of danger. I just always recommend avoiding Second Waterfall Ravine. But it's the lesser version of that, so it can be pretty bad. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Bruh. And there we go, I'm now rounding the corner to First Waterfall Ravine, which cuts straight up there, and over here is Eastern Buttress. And over here we have the Himalayan tar skull. I've just taken a slight detour. Check out that cave over there, how cool does that look? Oh, this is beautiful. What a route. Now what isn't ideal are those clouds coming in. Hopefully they're high enough that they're not a problem to me. I'm now at about 537 meters of elevation, and I'm cut off by that watercourse there, so heading up over there. I'm now at about 560 meters, traversing back into the ravine. So coming up on the left, make sure you stick on the left of that. Carry on up the ravine. Hiking through very rocky, loose terrain like this, it's very important to stay close to the hikers around you. So your group must be very close together, without being dangerously close that you're knocking each other, but close enough that if a rock falls or starts tumbling, it doesn't have enough time to pick up speed before it hits someone else. That's very important, especially on a route like this, which I do not recommend at all. Shit. I've come from all the way down there. And there we go. I've just emerged from First Waterfall Ravine.